Hello everyone. I am back again to work some more on my scavenger hunt for 2020. This is hashtag scavenger hunt 2021, not 2020. Duh, Tanya. Anyways, I have some things I've gathered and I'm going to work on a 2-page spread kind of here. The things I'm going to use today are a quote, washi tape. I'm going to do a black and white page, and I'm going to work with my favorite artist. So what I did do was pull some information about Pablo Picasso, and I love his quotes. The quotes that his statements quotes are, to me, I love them. So I'm probably going to use 2 or 3 of his quotes. So this double page spread is going to kind of be a Pablo Picasso page, and I'm going to make this sheet over here all a black and white page using this washi tape. That is, if I can find a piece of plastic wrap. Okay, so I thought I had 4 of those out, but I guess I don't. Okay, 3 will do. Not a big deal. And I'm going to just quietly work on those things and see how much time I have and whether or not I'm going to get to do another page. I already have my little tags ready. I need number 10 and 11 here today, so I'm going to pull these out. And I don't know if I'll get to a third page or not, so we'll just see how it goes, and I'll be back at the end and we'll talk about how it went. Okay, guys, I can't think right now for some reason about what I want to put on the next couple of pages. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and mark down what is where. Back here on our, oh, I need my maroon pen. Where's my maroon pen? It's right here. Golly, doesn't want to come out of there. Oh, and I guess it would help if I put my pen back in my glue. So my quote, my favorite artist is on page 10, but everything else that I wanted to do today is on page 11. So, my quote, which is number 10, and my washi tape, which is number 16, they're both on page 11. And my black and white page, black and white page is on page 11. And my favorite artist is on page 10. Well, we're coming along with this, but I think I'm going to call it a day and try to think about what I want for the next pages, because it takes too long on camera if I have gathered, I just haven't figured out the pages. So, and it doesn't, you know, I didn't figure this out completely, but it does help to know a little bit. Let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and we'll go on and figure something else out for the next time. The joy is in creating, not maintaining. Vince Lombardi. I'd swear to you I read some of these quotes before. Earlier in the book. But anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. And if you're not playing in the scavenger hunt, you really should be. It is a lot of fun. And, you know, if you can't find something, ask one of your online friends to mail you a little something. Anyways, have fun, guys. Bye-bye.